Hi everyone, I'm Sarah Dirksen, Intern Extension Agrologist with the Ministry of Agriculture. Today we're going to talk about how to identify different grass species. A lot of different species of grass are hard to identify until they head out, so I'm going to talk about different ways that you can identify them. There are different parts on the collar of the plant, so there's a ligule and an auricle on grass species, and that's a good way to identify the different species. So on a plant like barley, they have large auricles and they're kind of clasping around in a pale white color, whereas on wheat they have smaller auricles present. And on a plant like barnyard grass, there's no auricles present. So that's one feature you can look at to distinguish between the different species. Another thing to look at on the collar of grasses is a ligule. There are two different types of ligules. There's a membranous one, and then there is also a hairy ligules, which is just a part of hair where the ligule is. Different plants that have different types of ligules. For example, green foxtail has a hair where the ligule is. And barnyard grass, again, has no ligule. And plants like oats and wild oats have a really large ligule. So that's some little tips that you can use to identify different grass species. If you want more information on how to identify different grass species or any other plant or weed species, you can visit our ministry page. You can also visit one of our regional offices located throughout the province. And we also have this handy seedling ID guide. So it has different pictures and descriptions of the different seedling plants. So that's a good tool to use to identify plants.